I'm sorry. Thank you for saving me.
If every rescue ends like this, I might start looking for more trouble.
Thanks again, but I have to go.
Wait, I didn't even get your name.
I'm sorry, but I can't tell you.
At least tell me you'll come back tomorrow, so I know this isn't the last time I see you.
I'll try, but I can't promise. It's better if you don't wait for me. Goodbye.
Hey, there you are. I've been looking for you everywhere.
Sorry, something beautiful distracted me.